Hello everybody, it's Nina. Thanks for joining me today for a new tutorial, and I'm featuring the new Simon Says Stamp December 2019 card kit, which is Gnome for the holidays. This super fun and adorable card kit is perfect for creating some festive holiday cards, and I'm going to be using quite a few of the products today to create an easy and super festive holiday card. To start off camera, I stamped and colored these cute little gnomes using my Copic markers. I simply stamped them onto white cardstock and then colored them as I saw fit. Feel free to color your images however you like. I'm going to start building my card, and I'm going to start that by stamping this Ho 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 sentiment from the Gnome for the Holidays stamp set. I'm stamping this onto the Simon Says Stamp white cardstock that's included in the kit, and I will cut this out with the coordinating Gnome for the Holidays die set, which is available for purchase separately. Onto a white card base, I'm going to pop up this fun polka dot pattern. This is one of the pattern papers that is included in the card kit. On top of that, I will pop up my sentiment. This is going to have 2 layers of foam tape popping this up off of the card base. But before I finally attach it down, I do need to attach my gnomes. And I thought it would be really fun to have the gnomes peeking out from 3 different sides of the sentiment. So after I figured out the overall arrangement of the gnomes, I'll stick those onto the back side of the Ho 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 greeting with the aid of that foam tape that I already have on there. And I'll add just a layer of foam tape behind each of their hats for a little bit of dimension. On another piece of cardstock, this time from the black cardstock included in the kit, I'm going to white heat emboss a Merry Christmas greeting. I felt this looked really cute with the Ho Ho Ho, kind of finished everything off, and it adds a nice little balance here for the gnomes, and that nice pop of black really ties everything together. My final bit of embellishment on this card is adding some snowflakes. I'm taking this fun snowflakes die set from Simon Says Stamp, and I'm cutting this out from the white cardstock included in the kit and layering these snowflakes between the gnomes in the background. This really adds to that festive winter feel and finishes off this card really nicely. And I really love how this kit has filled with so many fun elements that can help you create some fun holiday cards of your own. In addition to this card, I also created a second card using the kit, and this one features a lot of the pattern papers. This fun gnome is in the pattern paper, and I cut him out, added him onto another piece of the pattern paper, and layered some fun sentiments from the stamp set on top of this as well. For a little bit more embellishment, I added some twine and some fun Nouveau drops for a little bit of sparkle and shine across the card. If you want to see the still pictures for both of these cards and also all the products used, be sure to head on over to the video description below or onto my blog. I have all that information available for you over at my blog so you can find out all the details on these cards. Be sure to grab this card kit while supplies last, and thanks so much for tuning in and visiting me today. I'll be back again soon with more to share, but until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.